All right, good morning. Intro to programming class. This is Mr. Smith. I'm kind of sending, or I'm making this video as kind of a follow up to the email that I sent you all last week. And just as a reminder, I have uh, I have not sent you on home assignments last week and this week because they're not considered NTI days. And then spring break is next week, but the week after that is when your NTI work will begin. Uh, Now, a couple of things before I start talking about your NTI work. Number one, if you have been working on missing assignments from home, especially the Code HS assignments that we've been doing, if you do any of those that were marked missing and you get them done, make sure that you send me an email and let me know which ones that you got done. Simply because I do not get a notification if you get those when you get those done. Okay, so please, 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 if you do that, let me know. Also, if you have other missing assignments that were to be turned in on Canvas, feel free to open up a program like any text editor, whether it be Notepad on your computer, or even if you want to type your codes into like a Microsoft Word document. You can on a text file like a Notepad, you can type up commands and save them as Python files. Just type in the file name .py, and if you can't do that, just type in the codes as best you can, save them in whatever type of document you have, and then email them directly to me. It's just a way to help you all get your stuff updated and get your things in that you have marked as missing. These are kind of unprecedented times, so as long as you're making an effort, I'll give you credit for trying to do the work. Okay, so please keep that in mind if you're sitting there with a lot of missing work. Now, let's talk about the NTI work. Number one, I'm going to start posting your NTI assignments on the first A-day after spring break. And if you take right here a look on my website, I have posted the AB rotation schedule right here. The first A-day is on April 6th. I'm going to send you an email and post on my website on April 6th, April 8th, April 10th, April 14th, and April 16th, the assignments that you're going to have to do every day, okay? The plan for right now is to have you all work on a new Code HS class. I have sent each and every one of you all an invitation to that class via email yesterday. As of 9:58 this morning, I've only had one person register. That Code HS link I have put right here, and I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And when I'm going to email out to you and all your parents after I'm done recording, and I'll send this link. But when you go, I sent you all this invitation email earlier, but I'm going to email this link right there. If you are watching this video, please go to that link and sign up for this class. Because what we're going to do, the new Code HS class, we are going to be doing HTML. And I know that's kind of not what I had originally planned on for this school year, but if we are going to have a prolonged absence from school, it's going to be much easier for us to actually learn something if we can do a language like HTML, simply because it kind of works across all platforms. And I don't have access to your computers at home to know if you have Java set up correctly, and then whatever program you'd be using to write your programs in. I just don't. I don't have access to all that stuff. So we're going to do something that kind of makes it a lot easier, on you all and the setup that you have on your computers at home. And B, it's going to help me tech support you a little bit better on stuff that you don't know how to do. So make sure that you get signed up for this class. Preferably, I would like for you to get signed up for the class before spring break, if possible. If not, do it sometime during spring break. And if you're having trouble registering, please, please, please let me know. So that basically is going to cover what we're going to do during NTI work. As of right now, I only have a plan for the first 2 weeks after spring break, because quite frankly, nobody knows when or if we're ever going to come back to school. If we do more stuff, or if we miss more school after April 20th, then we'll probably keep working on the Code HS lessons. If not, when we return to school, we'll do something completely different. So please, 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 I can't stress you all enough. Make sure that you are attempting to at least participate in class while we're out. And if you're having troubles, please contact me as soon as possible. Thank you very much.